Hey guys, welcome back to
What the Food.
We went to the Lowell Water Festival and was it like the what year? The 12th?
The 22nd annual.
Oh my god, 22nd?
The 22nd. Can you believe it?
Wow.
It's always the third Saturday of every August.
Damn, you know about it. And what do they do there?
They usually have the Dragon Boat Festival.
Yeah.
And then while that's going on, in the background there's a lot of vendors stretched out across beside the river, selling different local crafts and foods and.
It's actually pretty cool. We got some plants.
Yeah. And let me tell you, we were so excited to see the plants, especially because Barry and I, we've been like on this plant trend in 2018 and been trying to find like the kaffir lime tree. And
I know, we went online.
So hard to find.
Yeah, it was just hard to find. And we were trying to find this Thai holy basil as well. They have a few there.
Yeah.
Oh my god, they're green. And then we were cooking with some of the ingredients. It just came out delicious. We'll show you guys on what plants we got as well.
Right.
I think I got a lot of plants.
Perry got a lot of good deals. That's why she got a lot of good plants.
I actually got like multiple of each plant, and it just, I feel like with the amount of Thai food that we eat, the herbs that we use, we just need more than one plant.
Just to sum up, our experience at the water festival.
Right.
I think if you're looking for something to do on a Saturday and something to, you'll see lots of local crafts selling different, type of fabrics and
they have jewelry, like
clothes,
traditional Southeast Asian jewelry.
They have music, CDs, they have performances going on, they have plants, they have food.
If
you're looking for
like
something to do on a Saturday, it's a good festival to check out and you might find something pretty cool. I had a good experience.
Oh, we had the drinks are really good too. Not alcoholic though.
No.
But the drinks are good.
That we didn't really talk much about, but the sugarcane was pretty neat because there's several vendors with tons of fresh sugarcane, and you see them, just inserting it into this pressing machine where it really flattens out and squeezes out the juice from these fresh.
And some of them, I think they got the sugarcane from Florida, right? And there's also place like some vendors they sell this chili paste, chili oil. What else do they have? Mostly plants. So that's what we were excited about. They have
T-shirts, people selling their designs and things like that.
Yeah, they have music and then they got like the Khmer hip hop music. It's actually pretty cool. Like you walk around, you see a bunch of Southeast Asian and I like that feeling. It felt like I was in Southeast Asia for a day. Yeah. Because it was rainy that day, it was really humid. Yeah.
And then they got the dragon boat race going on. We didn't get to catch too much of it.
It's okay.
It was
I was there for the plan.
Yeah, okay. But that's why, that was the highlight of our entire experience. Hey guys, so if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up.
Yeah, and subscribe, and at the same time, leave us a comment below. Tell us more about anything that you would like us to cover. Let us know.
Yes.
We'll be happy to do that. Hey guys, welcome back. It's okay, we'll do it. It's okay, we'll do it again. It's so hot.
Sorry.
No.